If you are looking for an affordable yet feature-packed beginner keyboard, the Alesis Melody 61 keyboard piano might be the perfect choice. Welcome back to my Auto MT channel. Designed for learners of all ages, this 61-key electric keyboard offers a solid foundation for those beginning their musical journey. It is compact, lightweight, and comes with an impressive set of accessories, making it a complete package for anyone eager to start playing the piano. One of the standout features of the Alesis Melody 61 is its versatility. With 300 built-in sounds, including pianos, organs, synths, and more, users can explore a wide variety of tones and experiment with different musical styles. Additionally, the ability to layer or split two sounds adds a creative touch, allowing users to play with a richer sound. The keyboard also offers 300 accompaniment rhythms, making it easier to practice with a backing track. For beginners, this is a great way to develop a sense of rhythm and timing while having fun with different genres. In terms of usability, the keyboard is designed to be simple and user-friendly. It features a built-in metronome, which helps students maintain a steady tempo while practicing. The record mode allows users to listen back to their playing, making it easier to track progress and identify areas for improvement. Moreover, the accompaniment rhythm mode can instantly generate play-along songs from its library of 300 rhythms, making practice sessions more engaging. A significant advantage of this keyboard is the complete accessory bundle it comes with. Unlike many other beginner keyboards, the Alesis Melody 61 includes an adjustable stand, a comfortable bench, a sheet music/tablet stand, headphones, and a power adapter. These accessories make it easier to start learning right out of the box without the need to purchase additional equipment separately. This not only adds value to the product but also makes it convenient for new learners. Portability is another key feature of this keyboard. Weighing only 6.6 pounds, 3 kilograms, it is easy to move around and store when not in use. It can also be powered using 6 AA batteries, not included, allowing for music practice anywhere, whether at home or on the go. This makes it an ideal option for students or musicians who travel frequently and want a keyboard that is easy to carry. Connectivity options on the Alesis Melody 61 are well thought out. It includes a USB MIDI connection, allowing users to connect it to a computer for use with music production or educational software. It also features a 1/4 sustain pedal input, a 1/8 AUX input for connecting external devices, and a 1/8 headphone output for private practice. This variety of connections ensures compatibility with different setups and enhances the learning experience. When it comes to customer feedback, the Alesis Melody 61 has received an impressive 4.6 out of 5-star rating from over 27,825 global reviews. Many customers praise it as a great value-for-money keyboard for beginners. They appreciate its ease of use, the variety of included sounds, and the fact that it comes with everything needed to start learning immediately. However, some customers have mixed opinions about the sound quality and key response, mentioning that it may not match the feel of a professional piano. Still, for its price, the overall functionality of the keyboard is widely appreciated. A few customer testimonials highlight different aspects of the keyboard. One user mentioned that while it is not a performance keyboard, it is excellent for learning, offering a simple and distraction-free experience. Another buyer appreciated the complete bundle and mentioned that the assembly process was quick and easy. Many parents also noted that their children were able to start playing right away, using online tutorials to learn new songs within hours. Overall, the Alesis Melody 61 keyboard piano is a fantastic option for beginners. It offers a well-rounded set of features, a generous sound library, and essential accessories, all at an affordable price of $114.99. While it may not be suitable for advanced players looking for weighted keys or a premium sound experience, it is an excellent entry-level keyboard that provides great value for the money. If you are considering purchasing a keyboard to start learning, this model is definitely worth considering. For those interested in buying, check out our video description box for an additional discount. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay updated and support us.